Hello guys, and welcome to this evening's update for May 22nd, 2020. And today we are talking about Tropical Cyclone Mangga. It is located right here, and it has a metric pressure of 998 millibars. And you can see the isotherms here that are trying to bundle up together. It's having a hard time doing so because it is battling some wind shear here, and plus we're really in that time of the year where tropical cyclones shouldn't be forming in this part of the country anyways. But you can thank the MJO and the coupled Kelvin wave that came through here that caused that massive category 5 cyclone here. Right here, actually. Where am I pointing at? You can thank those two for that, and this system right here for developing. But as we're soon going to find out, this really isn't going to amount to much anyways. It should be just a weak to minimal tropical cyclone when it hits Western Australia later on the weekend or going into early next week. Let's see, let's go out through time and see what happens. 997, 995. Look at that, two pressures form. That's pretty neat. That is pretty neat. I'm guessing these two are going to combine to make one system, and let's see what happens. Exactly, 990. The two definitely combine together. Fujiwara effect, that's what that's called. 990, 981. Now we're getting up to close to hurricane status. At least that's what the GFS is wanting to do with it. Whether it makes it to a cyclone status or not, it's yet to remain to be seen. But I guess we're gonna find out. Let's go. Is that what? 967 millibars? What is going on down there? Shouldn't those waters be way too cold over there for something like that? Alright, let's keep going. 966, 970. So anywhere from Western Australia to Southwestern Australia needs to pay attention to this storm. At least for the next the next 84 hours or so. Alright, well, that's interesting because none of these forecasts that I'm about to show anything about it turning into a hurricane. As a matter of fact, let's take a look at one of the forecast models right now. As you can see, this is where the storm was at 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time today, or around that time. It had 35 knots, which is about 40 miles per hour. Then this is about 45 to 50 miles per hour, and then this model shows it hitting at a 40 mile per hour storm probably. The GFS wants to take it all the way out there. I don't know if the GFS is really picking up on this very good or not. It definitely knows it's there. It just doesn't know if it's gonna, how strong it's really gonna be. So yeah, like I said, anywhere from West Australia to Southwest Australia just needs to pay attention to this. It may end up turning into more trouble than I originally planned it might be. So please keep your eyes and ears on your local weather forecast, and we'll see where it goes from here. Let's take a look at the radar. Here's the storm right here. It's trying to blow up a little bit. It looks like the wind shear has actually gone down a little bit. All the wind shear is down here to the south and west of the storm. So you know what? This actually might strengthen. I don't know too much about those the cyclones and typhoons over there. But yeah, I mean, supposedly they're the same as hurricanes, but I bet you the conditions and patterns are a little bit different compared to what we have over here. So yeah, this might actually strengthen to. I don't know about cyclone status still. It depends on if it stays over water long enough. And I don't really know how cold the waters are over there either, so actually I think I might be able to tell you here in just a few moments. Nihilus tools. If it loads, please and thank you. Ocean anomalies. We're gonna take a look at the temperatures over there. Yeah, this is it's going into cooler and cooler waters, but yet the GFS wants to really strengthen this thing. So I guess we'll find out what happens with this storm. Anyways, that is all I have for this update. I want to thank you guys for watching, and have a nice night.